Little baby bump. Camping, camping, we're off to camp. I hope it's sunny and dry, not damp. We're off to the campsite. Everything's packed away. Tent, sleeping bags, night light, barbecue toys, first aid. After a short drive we arrive. Time to set up our tent. Tie down the guide ropes with our pegs. Whoops, sorry, this peg just bent. Camping, camping, we're off to camp. I hope it's sunny and dry, not damp. We play around the campsite, having lots of fun all day. But soon it's time to go back to our tents, but it's okay, because we're grown